I'm going to start our today's lesson with the property and perimeter area of the geometrical shape. So we are looking for perimeter, area, and properties of geometrical shapes. Please subscribe to the channel before today's lesson begins and turn on the notification bell so you can receive the videos as soon as they are released and enjoy a new lesson every day. The first shape I'm going to start with is the square. We know a square has got 4 equal sides at right angle. I'm just trying to draw a square as best as I can. So I have a square where all 4 sides are equal, and we have 4 right angles. As far as the property concerned, the opposite sides are not equal but also parallel. So that side and that side are parallel. These 2 sides are also parallel, this one and this one. So I mark them with the same type of arrow. 1 arrow, 2 arrows. So far we have 4 equal sides, 4 90 degrees angle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Let's go and draw the diagonals. If I join the opposite corners to each other, that would be a diagonal. And if I draw another diagonal, the blue lines are my diagonals. The diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. That means this diagonal is half in this diagonal and this diagonal half the other one. They half each other. So the diagonals are equal. They half each other and also they meet each other at 90 degrees. So this is the property of a square. The diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. For the perimeter, all I need to know the length of one side. So if I know the length of one side, say length is 4 centimeters for sake of argument, the perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 4 times the length. And I use the length as 4 centimeters. So the perimeter in this case would be 16 centimeters. Then the area. Area would be multiplying a length by the width, but the length and width of a square are the same. So I multiplied the length by the length to give me 16 centimeters squared. So Therefore, the formula for the perimeter of square is 4 times length, and area would be length times length, or length squared. Let's have another example. We have a square. The length equals 6 centimeters. So perimeter would be 4 lots of 6, 24 centimeters. And area would be length times length, 6 times 6, which is 36 centimeters squared. So let's quickly revise what I've said here. A square has 4 straight sides. All sides are equal. The opposite sides are parallel. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. 90 degrees each corner. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals half each other. This diagonal halves this one, and this one halves this one. And they meet at 90 degrees. Formula for the area is length times length, or length to the power of 2. And for perimeter, you add the 4 lengths of the square together, or 4 times 1 length. Now we're going to properties, perimeter and area of a rectangle. I forgot to label this one as a square. Now this would be a rectangle. As you can see, we have again 4 straight lines and 4 right angle corners. The square had all 4 sides the same. In rectangle, we have the length and width are different size. So if I call this the length, L for length, and the width, W. So the properties, we have 2 equal lengths. So I'm going to mark these two the same, with the same marking. And they are parallel. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this side also is equal to this side, and they are parallel. Now, let's draw the diagonals. Joining the 2 opposite corners, you will see that the length of diagonals are the same. Very similar to the square. And they half each other. So this side and that side, this side and that side are the same. The length of diagonals are equal and half each other, but they are not at 90 degrees to each other. Look, square, we had 90 degrees. Here, the diagonals do not meet each other at 90 degrees. We have a obtuse and acute angle here. Now, let's go for the perimeter. Obviously, the perimeter, which means the distance around the shape, I have length plus width plus length plus width. Which is 2 lots of length and 2 lots of width. Or you could say 2 lots of length plus width add together. Area would be length multiplied by the width. Length times width. Let's now have some example. I've got a rectangle. The length is 6 centimeters and the width, or W, equals 3 centimeters. So I want to now find the perimeter. Because we have 4 sides, 2 of the sides are length, so we have 6 plus 6, and 2 lots of width, 3 plus 3. That's 12, that's 6. The total length around the shape equals 18 centimeters. So the distance around the shape, whether 2 of these or 2 of those, or add them separately together to find the distance around the shape, will give me the perimeter. Area is multiplying the length by the width. The length was given to be 6 and the width was 3. 6 times 3, 18 centimeters squared. You don't always get the same number for perimeter and area. In this case you have. Just a fluke really. Let's try another one. Say length is 10 millimeters and width equals 7 millimeters. So perimeter we have 2 lots of lengths, 2 lots of 10, and 2 lots of width. 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 7. That's 20, and 14 equals 34 millimeters. An area would be length times width, which is 10 times 7 equals 70 millimeters squared. I hope you've enjoyed your lesson on area, perimeter, and properties of square and rectangle today. I'll try to make it as simple and as enjoyable as possible. If you like the content of this lesson, please like the channel. And if you have got any questions to ask me, please write it in the comments. Thank you very much. Till next lesson. Bye.